Sammy's pocket watch underneath the copper light, snappy shoes and pinstripe suit, Saturday and Saturday nights. He said, "Kid, you're late again, but this dance is right on time. Snap the lid and tap the face, catch the beat and you'll catch mine." Sammy's pocket watch, tick tick, swing it like that. Oh, every little click keeps us right on track. Round and round till the band plays stop. Time falls loose but our hearts still hop. Sammy's pocket watch, tick tick, swing it like that. Met him at the corner bar, trumpets blasting down the hall. He would flash that silver chain every time the band would call. 8 more bars then hit that break. He'd wink and flip the case. I learned turns and triple steps, reading time off Sammy's face. Your ears roll faster than the band. Sammy's hair turned sugar gray. Still he kept that watch in hand. Still he said, "We don't delay." One last song, the floor was full. He pressed metal in my palm. "Kid, you lead the rhythm now." Then he vanished in the calm. Now I wind it every night, chain wrapped round my eager wrist. When the second hand kicks hard, I can feel his gentle twist. Hit your break, don't miss your shot. Hear him laugh above the drums. Sammy's pocket watch goes